I wanted to also look into two conflicting narratives, which is John Dalli. I've heard John Dalli say on TV, listen, look at what happened with the directive. Like the snus didn't become suddenly legal. Therefore, obviously, I was not affected by these meetings. Obviously, this makes no sense, really, because he never took the bribe. So, like, why would he overturn the ban? But, yes, and I want to come to, I don't know, of course you're I was going to say, I don't know if you're familiar with the investigation. Jesus Christ, what's wrong with me? All right. Duarte and Darmanin.
But you are very familiar with it. Bravo.
Yeah.
Good. You studied.
Sometimes I do my homework.
Yeah.
On occasion.
Yeah, because these, I say good because actually what you just mentioned came out on a following investigation on John Dalli. But in this investigation, we interviewed Giovanni Darmanin, who was at the time of, we are talking about when, the head of cabinet of John Dalli.
Yeah. Shall we tell him what you thought she was? Because it said chef de cabinet. And Adele's like, why the fuck is the cook involved?
No. It's a very, very important position. It's
of course. She's like the head of the cabinet.
You can't call it head.
I would really love to talk to that woman. I couldn't find her.
She's a brave and courageous woman. I don't know where she is now, probably still working for the commission somewhere. I think she had been the head of Malta office of the commission for a while.
That's all I know about her.
Not now. I don't know. Anyway, and she tells us that more or less January, February, at a certain moment, they had a fight in the cabinet because the commissioner wanted to lift the ban. So tried to
Dalli
lift.
was trying to push out. Yeah, exactly.
Actually, the commissioner cannot lift the ban like such. Of course, you need your technical people. You need your cabinet. You need your staff to do your lawyers and so on. You give the direct. You say we go like this. And then they have to find a way. So you need them. It's not that he can do it alone and take a pen and write it down.
Right.
So that's what happened. That he tried. Actually.
So he did try.
Exactly in the moment he was still ongoing.
Can you give us the timing for that?
The timing is not very precise, but apparently is she didn't remember very well, but she thinks it's at the end of January, around the end of January.
Wouldn't there be minutes for something like that, for like these kind of
actually, we
meetings?
learned this after the end of our investigation. I reported this here, because we learned in another investigation. Actually, she could be interviewed. No, minutes, I don't think that they take minutes of a cabinet meeting, but she mentions also Ms. Duarte, who was the member of the cabinet in charge for tobacco. And they said it was very unpleasant because there has been an unpleasant fight.
Right.
Because commissioner was strong on this and they were strongly against. So, but we know that there has been this episode. So it's not entirely true that it was a no-go, that the commissioner didn't try. The commissioner tried to see whether it was possible, so explored the possibility, of course, because he had to ask for the money. So all of these pieces, if you look at them together, the telephone calls, the meetings, the requests of summit, they can be read only in one way.